Hi.
We want to develop
a radically different approach
to protect lives
every single week.
Safer, faster, and more cost efficient.
At Xelerit, we automate the programming and validation of industrial robot code using AI agents, cutting deployment time from weeks to hours. The next big task is to validate our system reliability in real-world high-stakes manufacturing environments.
At ZuriEV, we develop a simple blood test to enable reliable cancer detection. This is based on small particles that are released from cancer cells into circulation. In the next step, we want to develop our prototype into a product.
At AzureCell, we're tackling the root cause of Parkinson's disease. Current therapies can only boost the activity of the remaining 5% of dopaminergic neurons in patients' brains. And therefore, as more and more of these neurons continue to die, these therapies always stop working. At AzureCell, we're pursuing a radically different approach, which is to regenerate the 95% of lost neurons by leveraging cutting-edge cellular and genetic engineering platforms to develop the next generation of regenerative cell therapies for Parkinson's that are scalable, that are safe, and that have long-lasting effects in restoring the quality of life of patients. Our main goal right now is to bring our first therapeutic candidate to life.
We are developing the FireDrone, the world's first aerial robot that can fly into extreme heat to protect lives, assets, and infrastructure. Our biggest task is to validate our technology in the field to provide the highest impact for our customers.
Every single week, products that you and I can buy on supermarket shelves are getting recalled because they're found to be contaminated with deadly bacteria. And a big pain point in the industry today is how slow bacterial testing is. With Myriad Optics, we're developing new, faster bacterial detection methods to address this, using optical spectroscopy and microfluidics. And our next big task is going to be the validation of our assay and its testing in real-world conditions.
At AITHON Robotics, we make infrastructure inspections safer, faster, and more cost-efficient. We do this by replacing traditional access methods with a drone that can handle tools and install sensors. We are now working on building trust in the market by proving that our UAV is not only functioning in the lab, but also able to do real infrastructure work.